There's two ways you can configure your Arduino with either a pull down resistor configuration or a pull up resistor configuration. For the pull down resistor configuration, we have a ground connected to a 10 kilo ohm resistor connected to the analog 0 pin on the Arduino, which is then connected to a button which is connected to a 5-volt power source. If you use a pull up resistor, you'll have to alter the equation slightly, which is shown on the right. Here's the Arduino all wired up in a pull down configuration, and if we look at the screen, we can see a plotter with Arduino showing the voltage, and we can press the button to give it spikes of 5 volts, and you can see it's detecting the signals from the Arduino. The coding is pretty simple. We just define an analog pin A0, an integer value which gets the value read from the pin, and an integer delay which delays the oscilloscope. So for the setup, we're just going to start the serial which connects the Arduino to our computer, and then in loop here we have a function that detects if the serial is available, which means if you type in an input, then it's going to set the delay equal to that input, but we're going to parse it for an integer, and we're going to skip all the characters that are not integers. Then we're going to print the return value of the voltage function to the monitor. And then we're going to take that delay function and delay it by the amount that we told the Arduino to. And for this voltage function, it's pretty simple. We just have a value that reads the raw values from the pin and then plugs it into the equation. Finally, we're going to open the serial plotter so we can see what the pin is plotting. And right now it's just plotting 0 volts. But if we click the button, we can see it going up to 5 volts, and we can type a delay of 2 seconds, which is a little too slow to see anything. So we're actually going to change it to 200 milliseconds. And now you can see it going up and down slower. And yeah.